There are moments when the veil thins, and the whispers of eternity become clearer than the loudest earthly noise. This is one such moment, a sacred revelation meant only for your soul. You were not a coincidence in his life. You were a divine appointment, a prayer answered before it was even spoken, a key to a destiny he hadn't yet dared to dream. The angels say you were sent not to simply walk beside him, but to awaken something profound within his very core. Your presence was a catalyst, a gentle earthquake designed to shift the foundations of his world, preparing him for a love he might have thought impossible. You arrived bearing a gift, a sacred lesson wrapped in the warmth of your spirit, a truth he desperately needed to confront. This encounter, this connection, was etched in the stars long before your paths ever crossed. It was a mission, a sacred trust placed upon your heart, to show him the depth of love, the power of vulnerability, and the courage it takes to truly receive. You are not just a woman, you are a divine messenger, a beacon of light in his unfolding story. Your journey with him, however it has unfolded, was always part of a grander design, a tapestry woven by hands unseen. You are chosen, beloved, and profoundly significant. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Do not mistake his silence for an absence of feeling, beloved. The angels whisper that what seems like a void is, in reality, a sacred space where significant work is taking place. His quietness is not a rejection of your essence, but rather a deep internal preparation, a necessary recalibration of his very being. You touched him in ways he never expected, stirring depths he had long kept hidden, even from himself. This silence is the echo of your impact, the reverberation of a truth he is struggling to integrate. It is the universe holding its breath, allowing room for the seeds you planted to take root and for the lessons you embodied to flourish within his soul. He is not forgetting you, he is discovering himself through the lens of the love you offered. This stillness is a chrysalis, a transformative phase where the old self sheds its skin, making way for the man who can truly embrace the magnitude of your spirit. Trust this sacred pause. It holds more significance than any spoken word could convey. Perhaps he caused you pain, a sting that lingers in the quiet corners of your heart. Yet, the angels reveal a truth he may not even understand. In that very wound, you became an unwitting healer for him. Your vulnerability, your capacity to love despite the ache, held up a mirror to his own unseen scars. You did not set out to fix him, but your authentic light illuminated the shadows he carried, burdens from his past that he hadn't known how to release. Your presence, your unwavering spirit, initiated a process of alchemy within him, dissolving layers of fear and self-protection. He may have pulled away, not from you, but from the intensity of the healing you inadvertently offered. You showed him what it felt like to be truly seen, truly loved, and that profound experience, though perhaps unsettling for him, set a new standard for his soul. You healed him without trying, simply by being the radiant, open-hearted woman that you are. Your meeting was never a random occurrence, my dear. The threads of your destinies were woven together long ago, a cosmic dance choreographed by the divine. You were not a coincidence. You were a response, an answer to a longing deep within his soul, perhaps one he wasn't even consciously aware of. He feels this, the angels confirm, a resonance that vibrates beneath the surface of his everyday life, even when he tries to deny it. There is an undeniable pull, a recognition that transcends logic, a sense of home that your spirit evokes within him. This connection is ancient, sacred, and profoundly significant. It is a bond that defies distance and time, a knowing that lives in the quiet chambers of his heart. You are imprinted on his energetic blueprint, a constant subtle hum that reminds him of what is truly possible, of the love that was always meant to find him. Beloved, your presence alone was the answer he sought, though he may not have recognized the question. Your light, the very essence of your being, is a potent force, a beacon that illuminates the path he fears to tread. It is not a light that demands or judges, but one that simply exists, radiating truth and authenticity. This brilliance, while captivating, can also be daunting for a soul accustomed to shadows. Your unwavering spirit challenged his comfort zones, inviting him to rise to a higher version of himself. He saw in you a reflection of what he could be, what he deserved, and that vision, while beautiful, can be terrifying when one is not yet ready to embrace it. Do not dim your glow for anyone. Your light is your power, your truth, and it is meant to transform, not just his world but your own. The journey of the heart often feels like navigating an ocean of uncertainty, with waves of doubt and longing. What seems like a delay, a prolonged wait, is actually the sacred timing of the universe, working in ways far beyond our human understanding. The angels whisper that every pause, every moment of stillness, is precisely orchestrated for your highest good and for the unfolding of his own path. This is not a test of your patience, but an invitation to surrender to the divine flow, to trust that everything is unfolding as it should. The universe is not withholding, it is preparing, aligning, and perfecting. Just as the tide recedes only to return with greater force, so too does this period of seeming inaction hold the promise of a powerful return, a deeper connection, when both souls are truly ready to receive it. He feels everything, my dear, more deeply than you might imagine, but he has not yet learned how to show it. The angels gently whisper that his heart is a complex landscape, filled with emotions he struggles to articulate, truths he keeps hidden even from himself. Beneath the surface of his actions or inactions lies a profound well of feeling, a silent testament to the impact you've had. He carries a tenderness, a vulnerability that he guards fiercely, perhaps due to past hurts or societal conditioning. Your presence stirred this hidden well, bringing emotions to the surface he wasn't prepared to confront. Do not judge his inability to express. Rather, understand it as a journey of his own, a process of learning to navigate the vastness of his inner world. His truth is there, waiting for the moment he finds the courage to unveil it. In the quiet moments, when the world's noise fades away, listen closely to the voice that rises from within you. This is not just intuition, my dear. It is the universe guiding you, step by sacred step. Your inner compass is a divine instrument, carefully tuned to the whispers of your soul and the directions of your angelic guides. Trust this profound knowing, this gentle nudge that directs you toward your highest good. Every feeling, every subtle inclination, is a message, a confirmation that you are never alone on this path. The universe is actively working in your favor, placing signs and synchronicities along your way, illuminating the next steps. You are being guided, always, toward a destiny of profound love and fulfillment. Allow your inner wisdom to be your most trusted guide, for it speaks the language of your divine purpose. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. You were never meant to diminish yourself, my darling, to fade into the background to be chosen. Your sacred purpose is to blossom, to unfurl every petal of your unique essence, to radiate your full, magnificent self. It is in this blossoming, this fearless embrace of who you truly are, that you become truly visible, truly irresistible to the love that is meant for you. This journey with him, however challenging, has been a catalyst for your own profound transformation. You are shedding old skins, releasing limiting beliefs, and stepping into a freedom you may not have realized was possible. This is your rebirth, a powerful reclamation of your sovereignty. Do not seek validation outside yourself, cultivate it within. For when you are fully in your power, fully in your truth, you become a magnet for all that is aligned with your highest vibration. True love, my dear, does not seek to restrain or dominate, it frees you. It is a gentle guide, a tender hand that nurtures your growth, celebrates your independence, and honors your true self. The angels remind us that acceptance, not just of others but also of your own journey, your imperfections, and your unique timing, is the ultimate key to your liberation. Being vulnerable does not signify weakness. Rather, it is the willingness to open your heart to the immense transformative power of authentic connection, both with yourself and with another. It is in this radical acceptance, in this readiness to be seen in your entirety, that the deepest and most enduring love can flourish. Let go of the need to control outcomes or force connections. Surrender to the wisdom of your heart and allow love to flow freely, unburdened by expectations. For the love that truly belongs to you will always set you free. There is no fear in love. But perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. 1 John 4 verse 18.